Ever wondered what actually happens when you crack your knuckles? Inside your joints is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid filled with dissolved gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or pull your finger, the pressure inside the joint suddenly drops, and those dissolved gases rapidly form a tiny bubble. That rapid bubble formation or collapse creates the popping sound you hear. After that, the gases need time to dissolve back into the fluid and rebuild the bubble, which takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And that's why you usually can't crack the same knuckle again right away.